today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite users and teams in Clickup. This process is essential for ensuring that everyone on your team can collaborate effectively and stay organized within Clickup, your all-in-one productivity platform. To start, open your web browser and go to Clickup's website by typing the address in your browser and hitting enter. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to get familiar with it. It's where all your team's tasks and projects come together. Look for the login button, usually in the top right corner, and click it. This will take you to the login page where you can access your Clickup account. If you prefer a faster login, use Sign In with Google. Clicking this will guide you through connecting your Google account with Clickup. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one linked to your Clickup workspace. Once your account is authenticated, you'll arrive at your Clickup dashboard. Next, locate your profile name in the top left corner of the screen and click it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Manage Users. This section is where you control who has access to your workspace and projects. On the Manage Users page, you'll see an option to add email addresses. Type in the email addresses of the team members you want to invite, making sure there are no typos. An incorrect email means your invite could go to the wrong person. After entering the emails, click the invite button. Clickup will automatically send invitations to those addresses. Once your invitees accept, they'll gain access to your workspace and can start collaborating immediately. This simple process ensures your team is aligned and ready to work efficiently together. And that's it. You've successfully invited users and teams in Clickup. By expanding your collaborative network and keeping everyone connected, you'll enhance productivity and streamline your projects. Collaboration is key, and managing your team effectively in Clickup will make a real difference. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get your team set up and working seamlessly. Happy organizing.